So guys, it was fun while it lasted. The bumper car was performing epically. Everyone was enjoying riding the crap out of it until this happened. The band on these tires, or wheels, sorry, they're wheels, pretty much wore down. This came off during operation, and then it started grinding down the wheel here. To the point where it wasn't really giving any traction and was just a total disaster. So I had everyone stop doing this. So now the idea is I'm going to retread this with a spare bike tire. While the band was on this wheel, it was not providing any traction whatsoever. And I would say that a majority of the power going into the road or on the sidewalk was wasted because there was no grip on this protection band or friction band or whatever this is. But this is pretty much worn down. Normally you see these on these Power Wheel cars or ride-ons, and there is a little bit of resistance to it. This is completely worn down. So I'm going to take these wheels off, and I'm going to prep it to wrap this tire around these wheels, and we'll see how it goes. Maybe you can see it a little better this time around, but just all that power into these wheels that are really just, I mean, they're like cheap plastic, totally disintegrated. Everything on this wheel, when connected to the asphalt. So, again, I can't stress this enough. This band is pretty much, I mean, it's smooth. It's smooth. So it really lost all its friction factor.
What did you say?
Is smooth too. So yeah, bands are going to go away. Going to clean these up, sand them down a little bit, then wrap the tire around it. I'll open this up in a minute. Wrap the tire around this. Probably use epoxy or some adhesive that I know is going to help keep the rubber on, and then put screws into the center there. you have it, guys. The retread worked out perfectly and held up a whole lot better than I was expecting. So I'm very pleased with this upgrade. Check the links in the description below to get all the necessary parts if you want to do this for your bumper car or even Power Wheels. I highly recommend it. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It really helps up the channel grow. Thanks for watching. Remember, guys, don't just fix it, make it better. I'll see you next time.